Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Battlefield 6 to your Steam library, even if you're playing it through the EA app. Let's get started. First, open the EA app. Click on Manage for Battlefield 6. Then click on View Properties. Next, click Open Folder. At the top of the File Explorer window, click the address bar. Copy the folder address. You can now close this window. We'll use that address in Steam. Now open Steam. At the top, click on Games. Select Add a non-Steam game to my library. Click on Browse. In the File Explorer window that opens, click on the address bar, delete the existing text, and paste the folder address you copied earlier. Press Enter. Now, scroll to find the Battlefield 6 executable file. Select it and click Open. Make sure Battlefield 6 is checked in the list. Click Add Selected Programs. That's it. Battlefield 6 should now be in your Steam library. You can launch it directly from Steam whenever you want. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick gaming tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.